Hi, friends! Today we are talking to the fake IRS. Come inside and let's play with our new friends.
For calling Internal Revenue Service. How can I help you?
Yes, I'm returning your all's phone call.
Alright, sir. When did you receive a call?
About an hour ago.
Okay, sir. Can you confirm me the case file number which you left on your
I didn't receive a
voice?
case file number. The number was like obvious. I mean, the message was obviously left by a machine or something, so it like cut off before right after I got the number to call back on.
Alright, sir. Since you don't have the case file number, can you confirm me your first, last name, and your mailing address so that I can pull out the information? I'll let you know what was the call about.
Yes, my first name is Frank, Frank, and my last name is Stone, Stone.
Okay, and the mailing address is?
129.
Are you there?
Yeah, I'm here. Can you hear me?
Okay, yes, it's IRM 92627.
92627. And what was your name again?
My name is Maria. My first name is Maria, and my last name is Bill.
Beal.
Yeah, it's Bill. B
Okay.
like boy, I
Okay.
like India, L like Lorry.
Okay.
Alright, sir. This call is about your federal income tax. We call you to ascertain your attorney's information. There are some legal allegations and a lawsuit has been filed against you by the Internal Revenue Service. So are you aware about the situation?
No, I'm not aware of this.
Okay, sir, I will just go ahead and read out the legal charges against your name, which will give you a brief knowledge about what the allegations are against you. But before I go ahead, I want you to know that this line which we are talking now have been monitored and recorded by the local authorities of IRS and the Attorney General Office. So I want you to be honest with me on this monitor recorded line. Are we clear, sir?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, sir, as per the document, we conducted a random audit on your tax file from the year 2011 to 2016.
Hello?
Yes, sir, can you hear me?
Yeah, 2011 to 2016.
2016. From the year 2011 to 2016, we
Okay.
conducted a random audit on your tax file and we found that there is a miscalculation error and the taxes that you filed doesn't match with the tax records that we have. That means the taxes that you filed between those years, it wasn't filed correctly. It was underpaid. So you got section 101 under your name. That means your name has been blacklisted and there is an arrest warrant issued on your name.
Well, what does
Your
the
travel,
blacklisting mean? What does it mean by blacklisted?
it's blacklisted, sir.
Well, I mean, what does blacklisted mean? I've never heard anybody say that before.
You don't know what is blacklisted?
I mean, not talking about with the taxes, no. I mean, I heard about communists getting blacklisted like in the 50s, but I've never heard about anybody getting blacklisted today except terrorists.
No, it's about your tax, and it's under Section 101, which means your name has been blacklisted in frauding the government.
Okay.
So, sir, there is an arrest warrant issued on your name, and your driver license will be cancelled, and everything under your name, like a property, your bank account, everything will be seized, and you will also face a federal imprisonment for up to 5 years. Now, sir, the miscalculation amount outstanding on your name is $1,986. This includes your pending taxes, your legal charges, and your late fees. So, sir, on this monitor recorded line, IRS wants to know about the error on your tax file. Was it done intentionally by you in frauding the government, or was it an honest mistake from your end?
It's probably a mistake on my end because I'm really bad at math and the IRS tax forms are so complicated.
Okay, sir, I don't think we can do anything about it because there is an arrest warrant issued on your name in frauding the government and we are already moving forward with a lawsuit. But if you want, you can still talk to my senior revenue officer who is taking care of your case file and who is the authorized person to sign all your legal paper and your arrest warrant. So can you hold this line for a couple of minutes? I will get your call connected.
Well, can you explain more to me what this blacklist means? What happens if somebody's on the blacklist?
I'm sorry?
You said I was going to be blacklisted. I still don't understand what blacklisted means.
Are you kidding me that you don't know about Blacklist?
I'm telling you, I don't know. I mean, I've never heard about anybody in America except for terrorists and communists like 50 years ago being blacklisted. I've never heard this term used outside of anything else other than that. Hello?
It's Blacklist means it's discriminated.
I'm going to be discriminated against?
Yes, sir.
By who?
By Internal Revenue Service.
So the IRS is going to be discriminating against me? Hello?
Investigation Bureau of the IRS. This is Officer Kevin Peterson. How can I help you?
How are you doing today, Kevin?
I'm fine. How are you?
I'm doing pretty good.
How can I help you, sir?
Yeah, okay. I was talking to somebody earlier. Does Maria Bill work at this office?
Mm-hmm.
I have a badge number for her. Do you need her badge number?
So you want to speak with
Maria Beal, Bill.
Maria? She's
Maria.
what? Male or female?
Well,
She's a lady.
Maria would obviously be a female.
Oh, female. So you want to speak with lady officer, right?
Yeah, she has a badge number. Do you want her badge number?
Yeah. You can give me a badge number.
It's IRM
Hmm.
92627.
Okay. I'm so sorry, sir. She is not available. She is busy in another call right now.
Well, I was talking to her and she was going to transfer me to her senior agent, but I was trying to get some information from her she said that I was going to be blacklisted, and I didn't understand what the blacklisting meant.
Mm-hmm.
So do you know who her senior agent is?
Yes, sir. I am also agent, but sir, she is busy in another call, so I am not able to transfer this line.
Well, can you transfer me to her senior agent? That's who she was going to transfer me to.
Why? May I know why?
Because so that I could settle the tax matter. She said I owed $1,986. I'm sorry. And then she was going to transfer me to
Okay.
him so I could make a payment arrangement.
Okay. Can you just hold down for a moment? Let me transfer this line to
Okay.
office. Okay. Stay connected and be on the line.
Okay.
Sir, may I have the lady officer name, Maria, and after that,
Bill, Bill.
Maria, right?
Yes. Maria. Hello?
All right. Are you still connected with me, sir?
Yes, I am.
Yes, sir, she is busy in another call, so I can set up a payment arrangement for you. You can pay 129 per month. Okay?
$129 per month. So I guess how
Yes.
many months would that have to be then? About 18 months?
No, no, only 10 months. So
Only
your
10 months?
taxes will, yes, only 10 months. So your bad taxes will be cleared and your payment should be complete $1,290.
So $1,290 and everything will be taken care of?
Yes, sir. Everything will be cleared on your name. You can contact your local IRS office and you can pay $129 per month.
Okay. So how do you know what my local IRS office will be?
Yes, sir. May I have your zip code?
Yes, it's 10024.
Okay. 10024. Okay.
Yes.
Are you there?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Can you just hold down for a moment?
Yes.
Sir, you can make a payment by the IRS official website. It's E as an elephant,
Okay.
F as in fish,
Okay.
T as in telephone, and P as in a parrot, and S as in
Okay, how's
Sam.
that? You said EF, and then what's after the F?
TPS, the Electronic Federal Tax Payment System.
Okay, so it's EF, Electronic Federal, so EFTPS.
Right, EFTPS, Electronic Federal Tax Payment System.
All right, is that
You
a
can
dot?
visit.
Is that a .com or a .gov or what?
I'm sorry.
Well, EFTPS is that EFTPS .com or .gov or what?
Okay, www.efts.gov.
Okay, and I can make payments on there with like my
And you
credit
can,
card or something.
yes, you can pay a payment by your credit card, your debit card. What do you have?
Well, I have debit cards. Why couldn't I just pay
Oh, so you
you?
can. I'm sorry.
Why couldn't I just pay you online and get this taken care of right now?
No, sir. I have a lots of money, sir.
Oh, I'm not
I
trying
no
to get.
need
I'm
to
not
your.
trying to bribe you. I mean, why can't you all take payments?
I'm sorry.
How come I can't call this phone? How come you can't take payments?
I have a lots of money, sir. I no need to your money.
I'm not. I'm not trying to give you my money. I'm trying to give
Sir,
my money to the IRS. How come you can't accept payments for the IRS?
I have a $85,000 in my bank account.
I'm not. Well, congratulations, but I'm not talking about you. I'm talking about the IRS. I want to pay my
Okay, you
taxes.
can. Mhm. Okay, so you can visit the official website and you can pay your bad taxes on the official website. Okay,
But
you can
Maria,
get your refund over there.
Maria said that there was going to be a police officer showing up at my house in like 15 minutes.
No, sir. He is a mother. He is not a lady.
Who's Maria sounded like a woman to me.
No, she is a mother.
Why would you talk about somebody you work with like that?
I think you also know this is a fraudulent activity.
It's a what?
This is a fraudulent activity, sir.
So I can't go to that website and pay my taxes?
What's your name, sir? What is your name?
Frank Stone? I told you that earlier.
Frank. Real? It's real. Real Frank.
Well, I mean, what do you mean by real Frank?
Mr. Frank. No, I mean to say that I think you are lying or what? Mr. Frank, right?
The Frank Stone. Frank is my first name.
Okay, Frank. Nice to meet you. Nice to talk with you.
Well, it was nice to talk with you too. I mean, you're pretty nice for a government agent, but I don't think you should be talking about the women you work with like that.
I am not a government agent, Mr. Frank. Are you looking for a job?
No, I'm not looking for a job. I already have a job.
If you are still looking for a job, so you can come into my company, and I will give you a $25,000 per month.
$25,000 per month doing what?
Yes, you can fraud to the United States people. Okay,
Why would I want to do that?
sir. If you want to be rich, so you can do.
I don't want to be rich. Rich people don't have a very good afterlife. I mean, rich people are usually pretty comfortable in this life, but in the afterlife, because they're so worried about their money, then bad things usually
Sir,
happen in them after this life.
Mr. Frank, you know, I'm also a student. I am also a law student. I am just 18 years old.
You're a what? A law student?
Yes.
You're a law student and you work doing tax fraud? Is this how you pay for your way through law school?
Really, sir. I am a law student and I am work here for part time, sir.
But I mean, if you're a law student, you must be pretty smart. Isn't there a more honest job that you could have?
No, no, sir.
I mean, the tech support scammers, I mean, it seems like they make more money than you all.
Right, right, sir.
How come you don't work for one of those places?
Okay, sir. You come to India and come to my house. Okay, I will invite you.
I don't really want to come to India. India, there's too many people there. I don't like being around a lot of people, and India has a lot of people.
No, sir. Okay, have a wonderful day.
You too.
Thanks for stopping by the lab. Please subscribe or share this video with your friends or family.